Hey guys, okay, let's do the video for 7-1, set notation. Okay, a couple of things we've got to cover here before we can start a couple of examples. So, there's a couple of rules with set notation, really the symbols that we have to memorize. So I have this N looking thing, looks like this. This is intersection, okay, and it's talking about overlap, things that two sets will have in common. Then there's the union, which is also referred to as OR. It's everything that they both have. So everything that A has and everything that B has. Then A, or not A, which is complement, not A, it's the things that are not in A. Okay? So let's take a look about how that works. First example. So the table below shows all the boys in homeroom 201. Consider this to be a universal set. So this is a universal set here. We have art club with these people, and we have environmental club with those people. We want to find who's not in A or E. Okay, so basically what I have to do here is I have to go and kind of check off who is listed in the environmental set. So this guy's there, that guy, we got Frank, we got Gus, we got George, we got Carl. Then I have Benji, then I have Cheng again, then I have George, then I have Carl, then I have Max. Okay, so I put little X's next to these guys here, because that's who we don't want, because that's who's in these two sets. So we want Hal, Dugan, I swear I didn't make these names up, Eric, and Leo. That is the set that represents not A union E. Okay, or A union E complement, however you want to say that. Now I have A intersect E, or A and E, or what they have in common. So I look here and I go and compare the two sets. I notice that Chang is in both of them. And I notice that George is in both of them. And I notice that Carl is in both of them. I double check to make sure that I got everybody. And it looks like I did. So I have Chang, George, Carl. Okay, it's not particularly important what the order that they're in, as long as you just get them all written down. Alright, let's take a look at the next example. The next example might be a little bit clearer because it just deals with numbers. So this U here, let's understand that is standing for universal set. Universal set. Not to be confused with the union. Okay, even though they use the same sign, this says U equals that, universal set. A union B union, okay? So here we want to find A union B. So that's what they both have. Okay, everything. So they both have 3, they both have 5. This one has 6, 8, and 10. This is find A intersect B, or find A and B. This is what they both have in common. So this one's both everything that's in both sets, and this one is what they both have in common. So let's see, they both have 3, they both have 5, and that's it. Now We want to know complement of B or not B. All right, not B. So we want everything that's not in here. I have to go and look at my universal set for that, because we're not worried about A. We're worried about comparing what's not in B to the universal set. Well, B has 3, 5, 6, and 8. So the only thing that's left is 1 and 10. Okay, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful.